Converting a Wix website to WordPress can seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps it can be done efficiently. First, you need to understand the differences between Wix and WordPress. Wix is a website builder with a drag-and-drop interface, while WordPress is a content management system that offers more flexibility and customization. To begin the conversion process, you need to export your Wix website content. Wix allows you to export your site's pages, posts, and other content in an XML file. You can do this by going to your Wix account, clicking on Settings, then clicking on Export, and selecting the type of content you want to export. Next, you need to set up your WordPress site. You can do this by registering a domain name and web hosting service, then installing WordPress on your site. You can install WordPress manually or use a one-click installer provided by your web host. Once your WordPress site is set up, you need to import your Wix content. You can use a plugin such as WP-All Import to import your Wix XML file into WordPress. This plugin allows you to map your Wix content to the corresponding WordPress fields, making the import process smoother. After importing your content, you need to choose a WordPress theme that matches your Wix site's design. You can choose from thousands of free and paid themes available in the WordPress theme directory. You can also customize your theme to match your Wix site's design by using a page builder such as Elementor or Beaver Builder. Finally, you need to set up your WordPress site's settings, such as permalinks, categories, and tags, to match your Wix site's settings. You also need to update your site's URLs to point to your new WordPress site. You can do this by setting up redirects from your old Wix site to your new WordPress site. By following these steps, you can convert your Wix website to WordPress and take advantage of the flexibility and customization that WordPress offers. Remember to always back up your content and settings before making any changes to your site, and to test your site thoroughly after the conversion process to ensure that everything is working as expected.